Yo, 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 boys. Damn, there were 20 people here before the streamer started. That's shocking. I'm actually shocked. Look where we started off not too long ago, about last week. Look where we are now. It's amazing. It's amazing. Hey, let's get down to it. Let's get down to it. Give me a few seconds. Just a little heads up. I am looking for sales at the moment after early morning, last night, whatever you want to call it. Absolute mess. Look for sales below this marked zone. Not marked, but it's kind of set as an alarm. But just need to do a few things quickly, so bear with me. But yeah, how was everyone, man? How's everyone's morning? Yeah. Just need to reply to a couple of messages. Did you sleep? Yeah, I slept. I'm still really tired, but overall I'm okay. But yeah, we are very close to some sales, potential sales. I'm thinking of entering around, let me see, where's my chart? Here. Ooh, did not notice this before, surprisingly. I will probably enter here. We'll probably enter here. Closure below here, and then maybe a wick up. Just break up these lows. It will be a quick scalp trade. Yes, AJ, you are here. I'm getting onto that right now. Oh shit, I almost put you in timeout accidentally. Damn, not many traders get me up at this time in the morning. Means a lot, means a lot. Panda. Maybe one day, maybe one day. I've got one last message to reply to, and I should be ready to get going. Guys, I'm not gonna give too much away, but yo, we are cooking for you guys. That's what I'm gonna say. That's what I'm gonna say. I'm gonna say we are cooking up heavily for you guys. Me and Bard and the team in the background. Next month, probably big things coming. What is B in your stream record? B means break even. So break even would be if we enter a trade and we hit break even without taking any. Okay, let's just say, for example, I would enter sells right here. Okay, and then my stop loss is here, TP's here, and for some reason I decide to go break even now. Okay, and if price, where's my pen? Oh, look at that. Oh, big drop. What did I say, guys? Over here we're gonna have a big reaction. Let's say price decides to come back up and take us out, then that would be a break-even trade. Okay, and we're waiting for some sort of retracement, and then we will be entering sells. Okay, so get your MetaTrader, whatever you're using, get it ready. That was a big impulse move. Probably wait for the next 5-minute candle. After that it's might even extend it to the end of the 15-minute candle. Let's see. What happened to Euro for? I don't even have the chart open. Yeah, it is. We've got a 15-minute in a topic though. On the 30-minute as well, not on the hourly, I'm pretty sure. Yeah. Then next, the cells that we get into, I am planning to, not planning doesn't make sense. I do think that we'll get down to 2020 at least. See if we can get a good entry. Alright, come on. Okay, 10 seconds left. Wow, look at that candle closure. Kind of want to enter here again. Let's hold on. I think we'll do the sensible thing and wait for the 15-minute closure. You never know, we could start pushing up from here. Let's wait for the 15-minute closure and then we will decide what to. stop this bit first. First, let's see where we close. Because we might not even get into the position. Let's wait for the closure first. Then we will decide what happened. Oh, this is the Euro. Okay. Just remember, guys, we will have to wait about half an hour, max an hour, for volume to start kicking in pre-London and London. What about gold? Can we long? No, I would not be looking to long right now. Definitely should wait. Definitely should wait. Definitely should wait. Because you see right here, if we break these lows slash close below, we've got clean traffic to come down. Clean traffic to come down. I would definitely wait for a 30-minute closure, or at least a 15-minute closure. Appreciate the sub, by the way. Appreciate the sub. Me personally, I am looking for sells. Am I in GU? No, we're in EU. So all of these charts slash positions you've seen, they were just charts that we did yesterday for the pre-market. I'm not in any positions yet for this. We're only in this, and we're waiting for a gold position. For gold, if you do want to go for buys, I would wait for you kind of want to wait for closures above here before a move up. Apart from that, you don't really want to go for any buys at the moment. So anything that happens here is irrelevant. What you want is that is your confirmation to go in. Well, anything above this, to be honest, is you want to get in, but you need closures. A retest would be better. Why did I go for buys? Yeah, can I explain? The reason I went for buys is because I saw us come down, create a good, decent amount of support, and a good move up. So I was expecting continuation. So you see previously when we usually create, and then you know one big thing about me is previous resistance turning into support is a very good sign, and vice versa. It's also, when you look for sells, previous resistance turning into support is, or did I say that wrong? But you know what I mean. It's also a very good sign. But yeah, again, over here you found support continuation. You had a bit of sideways consolidation downtrend, a very big move up. Okay, pretty much same thing here. Same thing here. Yeah, but that was recent. But yeah, it just didn't go away. But I still do think we will go up to 2050 before coming down a lot further. Let's look at the daily. This is a new weekly candle. Ooh. Why is that there? Is trade running? Not on this, no. We only have one trade running, which is this one. This one we are waiting for. We are waiting for a trade. Let me get rid of this, but we know where we're looking for sales, yeah? Yes, Andrew, how we doing? Do I trade oil? No, not really. Not really. Very rarely, but I do analysis on it when people ask, but I do give them a heads up, I give them a heads up that I don't trade oil, so I don't know the price action behind it and whatnot. I am still pretty tired, so you know. Let me wake up. I haven't had a coffee yet. You need the energy drink to kick in. Because we can get rid of this because we're kind of broken out. $30, that's crazy. Bro, Panda, just go to sleep, man. Just go to sleep. Why are you torturing yourself? Nice. But at the moment, all you're on focus on is this range. We'll wait for confirmations. See if you can get the buys up. You could pretty much enter now. Okay, got to take care of my son. Oh, I thought to take care. Got to take my son to school in 5 minutes. How old is your son? How many kids do you have? Yeah, big W, Dad. Happening. I don't think we're gonna enter the cells yet. Let's wait for a bit more volume to kick in. Four-year-old. That's when they get a bit more hands on deck, don't they? I have 3 kids. Signals are shooting. Thanks, man. Appreciate that. Appreciate that. Yes. Wait, which? Well, the one we're looking at right now, yes, is gold. XAUUSD. Yeah. But yeah, I probably would have entered this trade just to like test it out and whatnot, but the stop loss is a bit too wide. But you're gonna catch a healthy amount of pips. You take it to the full range. The break even will probably be around here. Yeah. Right here would be your break even point. Yeah. Yes, we are looking to enter gold. We're just gonna wait for a good position, a better confirmation. I only have 200 USD. Well, it's gonna be a long process to build it, but just make sure you don't over risk. Be sensible with your lot size. Stay disciplined, and you should be completely fine. Yes, no, how are you doing? How you doing? The only reason I'm having a monster at 6:30 AM and not coffee like an absolute psychopath, because I opened the fridge and I saw there was no milk. So I need to go get milk later. Oh shit, I forgot to do something. Man, seriously? Okay. Should I trade with $200? Can you trade with $200? Yes. Should you? I would say no. Because if we're being honest, you're going to do it correctly, meaning you're going to have proper risk management and all of that. You're not really going to make much. Now, if you start off with $200 and you're saying that every month you're going to put a bit more money into your trading account, then yes. But if you only have $200 to spare, I think it's not worth it, just because knowing the success rate and whatnot, knowing what people do is they over risk and whatnot, they end up losing accounts, and there's really no point. But yeah, it's completely up to you. If you can put more money in, if you can save that $200 and put more in later, then yeah, I would say do that. Obviously, I would say the bare minimum is you need at least 1k. Obviously, you can trade with less, but yeah, it's better to have more, isn't it? Yeah, so if you can save up and put more in, I'll say do that, and until then, trade on a demo account just so you get kind of used to it, you understand the emotions behind it and all of that. Enter buy 2030 in gold. What do you think? I don't want to enter buys until we close above here, around 2032.8, around this area. I don't want to enter buys until then, me personally. Euro see what we're doing. Yeah, we're just moving sideways more or less. We've been moving sideways for a while. Got quite a lot of no top picks to compensate for, but let's see. And what should I do? Like I just explained, if you can put more money in later on, I would say keep that at $200, save up, try to put it in at least 1,000. I don't know how old you are, whatnot. If you're quite young, if you're a teenager and you're not working, definitely look for a job so you can get a bit of extra money to put into your trading account. What else? Yeah, definitely open up a demo account and use the demo account until you can get a bit more extra money in. Yeah, maybe go for a funded account. How long ago did you? I started in 2017. And then, well, 2017 I started in crypto, but that was only just buying and holding coins. 2018 is when I really like dived deep into everything and started to learn how to trade and whatnot. Started in crypto. Couple of years later, about 2021ish, 2022 is when I kind of got into gold and forex and whatnot. You're 20. Okay, so are you working? If you're not working, I would definitely say look for like a part-time job. It doesn't even matter what it is. It could be anything. Get any job, just something to give you an extra bit of money where you can put into your trading. Yeah. True Dark One, I did the same exact thing. And sometimes I was like, wait, why am I going to do trading if I get more money from OnlyFans? But you know, just something spoke to me within, and I don't know, I just felt like I wasn't doing the right thing. So yeah, instead of taking videos of my toes, I started taking videos of my charts. It made me feel happier, so that's why I kind of stopped that. How long did it take you to become profitable? It took a few years. It took a few years. But so it took about 2 years, but I didn't really feel it because for those 2 years I was working, so I had a bit of money coming in. But yeah, after a couple of years, I wasn't really working or anything like that. Just full-time trading. It's like I said, you can build up. It is possible, but if you're looking at the likelihood and the probability, it's quite likely that you will end up losing the account because you will become a bit greedy. Like for example, let's say you go into a winning streak of like 20 trades and you're using 0.01 lot, and then yeah, you're winning 20 trades and you're only making like what, $1 or less than that, or maybe like $2 per trade. At some point in your head it's going to be like, wait a minute, I've won 20 trades without losing. I'm doing amazing. If I up my lot size, my risk, double it or triple it, I will make double or triple what I've been making. My account will go a lot better. And then you're going to lose that one trade and you're going to lose triple the amount or something like that. Yeah, that's what people do always. That's where it goes wrong. So that's why I would say there's really no point. No, it's the same entry. It's the same entry. Same entry we took on thingy. That's the same entry that was sent on to the thingy, whatever you call it. The signal group. Yeah, my head's not working, man. Extremely tired. I'll be honest, buys aren't a bad choice, but like I said, I don't really want to take it. Just because of all the bearish pressure. It's 766 in TradingView. I think, no, I'm pretty sure it's not. It should be the correct one. No, 76.85. That was the entry that was given. Let me just double check on Discord. And so, yeah, the entry was 76.85 on TradingView. Same entry, bro. Oops. Yeah. Right, that is what we're working with for today. Lash props possibly this week. Anyway, what is happening? Those 448 pips on 0.01 knot is it? I don't think so. I think 0.1 is 448. I'm not too sure. I'm not too sure. Could be right. I don't know. I think 0.1 is 448. 0.01 is probably 44 or 48. Go get you. Now I've got my energy drink. Got my energy drink. Should be fine. And I don't think any shops are open yet. Okay. I am eyeing potential position. Oops. Right, let's wait 4 minutes and we might enter cells. Wait for the 15 closure. Ooh. Let me see, how many likes are we on? How many likes are we on? We are on 15 likes. Like up the stream, boys. Like up the stream. How many subs are we on? 175. Boys, come. Let's try hit 200. I hit 200 today. 200 might be a bit ambitious, if I'm being honest. Yeah, this week you can probably hit 200, but 200 today is a bit ambitious. It's easy to hit 200 today. What is happening? Let's see. Yeah, it's not too far. It's about 5 pips, right? Oh, yeah, 7 pips. If you guys want to close full now, secure all your profits, go for it. I'm letting I closed half when I took partial. I closed half. All right, we should start getting some volume in about half an hour. Yeah, hopefully you can get some trades. Like to come up first. Okay, you know what happened to the dollar last night? It spiked up like crazy. I didn't see it spike up. Didn't see it live, but obviously I saw it when I wake up. Yeah, what about it? Should I stay in the long trade for gold or go out? When did you enter? When did you enter your gold position? 20, 30, 18. Didn't really enter in the best place. You should have waited. You should have waited. I mean, at the moment, you kind of broken the support. So it doesn't look good. Obviously, you could have a fake out, a spike up, but there's no confirmations for any buys at the moment. Like I said before, the only place that I will be interested in buys is closures above 32.8, around that area. So it's up to you. End of the day is your position, but buys at the moment does not look good. The reason why I'm on NASDAQ is because we are potentially thinking about adding it as part of signals. Now, I don't really trade it, so I'm going to give it a go. And we will see how it goes out. I won't be giving out any signals. Jerome Powell was on talking about the interest rate, ECT, and inflation. They think maybe they cut rates. But yeah, like obviously I know what's happening. So far the dollar is extremely bullish. Yesterday's market review, we did speak about it, that the dollar is very bullish, but I did think we will come down first. I didn't think we'll just go up straight away. But we would come down to either here, ideally down here, before we move up. I was also thinking that we will go up to here for gold before coming down, but we didn't get that. Yes, DXY is very bullish, very bullish. What's happening here? We not taken out yet. Yeah, let's stay in the gold chart. I'll check the NASDAQ chart on my phone, and if I do enter anything, we will check it together, but I will not give a signal for NASDAQ because I'm still learning price action and all that for NASDAQ. Almost 7:30, boys. You know what that means? You know what that means? Usually we do start getting another position around this time. At the moment, we might just need to wait for, you know, us to kind of choose direction. It is slowly going down, but it's kind of moving sideways now. The volume is quite low at the moment. Should start pushing in soon though, should start pushing. Well, we are looking for potential sells. I mean, we'll take sells or buys, we just need confirmations before entering. Well, at the moment, sells are looking more likely than buys. Can I go over the NFP trade? We didn't take an NFP trade. Or do you mean a trade that I took by myself? Oh, for NFP, what I did was, so NFP was here, right? Yeah. I can't remember the exact, let me see if I can find it in history. But I doubt I will be able to find it. This kind of right here was NFP, wasn't it? Yeah. Pretty sure I had over here, I think it was 48-ish. Over here, I think I had sell stops. Probably above the highs. I'm not sure where it was. Let me see. For buy stop. I had buy stop at 58, so I had a buy stop here. So obviously this got triggered, but guess what? I got slipped all the way down to 45. And I had a TP set beforehand, which was at 41 here. So I closed that position there. I didn't have a stop loss or whatever. I closed that at 41. That was one trade. And then I entered again over here. Where did I close? I closed at 36. Here again, didn't have a stop loss. And then I entered one last time at 34 over here. That closed at 31 there. So that was my NFP trades. I won 2 free trades. Why did I enter? Just the news, literally. Just because of the way news came out, I knew that we were coming down all the way back down to this level. And if you guys remember, the day we had this big push up, okay, what did I say in the Discord? You guys remember I said, imagine having this big push up only to be reversed all the way during NFP. Remember, I already had an idea how NFP was going to come out. I had a strong feeling that it was going to come out good for the dollar. So yeah, that was my news trading. It broke previous low. Yes, it did. Okay, 30 minutes. Topic first. Okay, can we get a decent topic? A decent topic would be nice. Yeah, we're not getting any good confirmations. Okay, boys, let's enter sales. Let's do it. Because we'll enter it in layers. Okay, so just enter one position now. And we'll look to enter from between 27 to 30. Remember, don't go too stupid with your lot size. I'd sell limit every 10 pips, which is what I'm gonna do. Now let's do 30. Okay. So we will be entering trades from here all the way to here. That is our sell range. Right, send the signal. Yes, guys, remember, be sensible with your position, manage your risk. It's not one entry, there's a few entries. Now you enter however you want. I will enter every 10 pips. I thought you entered. I did enter. I just entered. Okay. That's the trade, boys. That is the trade. We are officially in. Let me see how many positions I have been triggered on. Okay, I have been triggered on 3 positions. Yeah, imagine it just takes us out right now. That would be, yeah, that would be shit, wouldn't it? We're still in the euro trade. We've got London open in 20 minutes. Let's see what happens. But that should be some, hopefully some nice bit of volume. Very hard to see the candles, isn't it? Yeah, what did I do here? That's not, delete that. Yeah, 3 positions. I got to go sleep in 20 minutes, working 5 hours. Damn. Maybe wakes up in 4. Alright, bro. You know, you have to do what you have to do. But yeah, we are live every single day, same time. Today I do sound a bit dead because I didn't have my coffee and this energy drink is not kicking in. minutes left. So like we spoke about before, 2032, above that price, it's quite likely that price will go up. Now on multiple time frames, we have closed below the support. Now the hourly, if we even close below here, it does not look good whatsoever. There's really there's no reason to kind of come up to that level unless we're going to continue to go up. It could do. I mean, yeah, it would be kind of shit, wouldn't it, if it does take us out? But there isn't really much reason. It doesn't make sense for it to come up. If anything, it will probably just come up here, because you had your closer below, your retest continue. You could do it here or here, either one. Continue. Yeah. Yeah. Nice. We are in profit in one position. Exactly. That's gold. That's gold right there. I can do what I want, when I want. How do I feel? I feel a bit drowsy. I feel like I'm not awake yet. Oh yeah, no, I'm alright. Yeah, it looks like it should continue to come down. I'll be absolutely shocked if it comes up and takes us out. You might have to treat gold like GJ and just put it aside. Alright, we're in profit in one, break even in another. So far we're doing good. Coming down nicely. Where do we take profit? So why is it on here? Planning to hold to around 2020. But we can go BE maybe around here. I mean, break of the lows, we should have a nice push down at least over here. Yeah, at least here, around 24-ish, 25-ish. But overall, we should come down pretty nicely. We're in profit. For me at the moment, I'm in 10 pips of profit. Within all positions. With all positions, I'm 10 pips up. Which, of course, is not enough. We will hold. Come on, let's go. Let me try to wake myself up with a bit of music. Yeah, we don't just take 10 pips. We don't just take 10 pips. But we know who does take 10 pips. We know who takes 10 pips. We're built different. No problem, bro. No problem. Glad I could help. Glad I could help. Go to sleep. Enjoy your night. Good luck for work in the morning. Yeah, we will catch you later or in the Discord if you're in the Discord. If you're not in the Discord, the link is in the description. Take care, bro. Take care. That is a man who knows his priorities, man. He knows when to cut his trade. He's happy with what he's made and he's going to sleep. At the moment, I am just over 10 pips up. Boys, or 10 pips up, do you know what that means? Alright, boys, you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to move my stop loss to break even. And you know what? I'm going to close my full trade here. Come on, you know we don't do that. You know we don't do that. I don't understand how you could say, I checked that's 10 pips. I'm going to use my stops to break even. And you know what? I'm going to close my full trade here. No, it's not that. I'm going to close half. It doesn't make sense. I'm going to close half. I'm going to move my stops to break even. 1 second later, I'm going to close full. Bro, just say you're going to close full. What's this? I'm going to close half, stop loss to break even, close full. Just close full, man. It's okay. Why don't you take 10 pips while risking 150? Because we're not built like that. We're built differently. I could do. Do you want me to? We can do that. Let's look for another trade. Let's look for another trade. Let's go on Bitcoin. Alright, chat, you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to place a buy stop right here. Wait for the break these highs. Okay, right here, I'm going to break these highs. I'm going to place a buy stop. And we should get activated and we should complete the range up here. We should complete the range. Now we're just waiting. We're just waiting. But you know what? I'm gonna place my stop loss right here. Right below these lows. It's not moving. Does this thing want to move? It doesn't want to move. Oh, I'm bored. I can't bother to wait. But yeah, that's W trading right there. But all jokes aside, and obviously if it works for a person, it works for a person. But you know, I wouldn't say there's a whole reason to freaking stream it and, you know, market it, because for the majority it doesn't work. For people who don't have the money to put 30 lots, it doesn't work for them. Of course it's going to work for him. 30 lots, 10 pips, 3,000, easy money. You can't hate on it because it works for him. I'm not hating on him because that's what he's doing. It's just, I think it's unfair that he's charging people for it, for 10 pips. London volume is starting to kick in. Come on, come on, come on. Ooh, man. Why don't we get into it? Damn, GJ's moving. Make sure he's been shady as fuck. No, like I said, it works for them, which is fine. It's just, I don't think it works for 90% of the people watching them. Yeah, but we're just gonna have to wait for it to push down, that's all. I think we should have a nice push down as soon as we break the lows. And hopefully London volume will push us down. That'll be a nice bit of profit for us. Ooh. Bit cold, it's a bit cold. Boys, literally all you need to do is hold on to this position. We should be fine. We need to hold. Because like I said, we're just pushing now. We're pushing now. We're breaking lows. We're breaking support. We've broken support already. All we need is to break off these lows, and we should see a nice drop down. Nice drop down. A good 20-30 pips drop. Not instantly, obviously, but pretty quickly. You're right. He's not bad, but I mean, obviously, obviously, I'm not hating on the guy. Okay, the analysis he has, okay, the understanding of price action and market is one of the best I've seen. Okay, what else? His patience is amazing. Like waiting for a trade, and he has to see certain things, otherwise he's not taking a trade, is also amazing. Sometimes he takes really stupid trades. Okay, it happens to everyone. It happens to everyone. He does need to look into his analysis and his trading style to fix that. Like for example, that last time where he lost what 200 pips, something like that, because he took sells. No, so he took buys right at resistance, which really did not make sense to me at all. But yeah, it's just, again, 10 pips it works for him, but you kind of need to know that, okay, we're up 20 pips anyway. You need to know that, look, I'm streaming to thousands of people. The likelihood is, say 90% of the people, they're trading on funded. Okay, not 90. So yeah, 90% of people, they're either trading on funded or they have a very small account. The likelihood is this 10 pip, if they're using the correct risk management as well, this 10 pip isn't going to do any good to them, especially if they're doing it correctly. Because if they're using the correct risk management, it means, let's say they have a 10k account, okay, and not a funded, like an actual 10k account, okay, and they only want to lose what, let's say a few $100s, yeah, a few $100. what lot size do they have to use? They can't use 0.5, because if their stop loss is 200 pips, then you have to make sure you're only losing a few $100 in that 200 pips. So if you're using a 0.2 lot size and you're only catching 10 pips, it's not really doing you any good. Get me? But anyway, he's a really good trader. Does it influence the market? Does what influence the market? I took the trade loss 177. What, the one that Don took? Another thing that I've noticed, because a lot of people in our community, they also follow his trades. Okay, obviously because Don Go is very rarely wrong, because they know he's only catching a minimum of, not even minimum, a maximum of 15-20 pips. What they do is they over risk, and then one trade they lose their account. We're done. He loses that one trade, he's completely fine because he's using correct risk management, but no one else does. Which is why I go back to the reason of saying, if you're using a correct risk management and you're following Don's thingy, it's not doing you any benefit. I would definitely recommend to watch his analysis to learn, because he is an amazing trader. Amazing. But catching 10 pips with the correct risk management, because if you're risking 200 pips, your lot size has to be extremely small. It's not really going to grow your account much. Still in? Yes, we are still in the gold trade. We are still in, and we are up nicely. Ooh, nice. I'm up 40 pips in total. I'm going to recommend people take partials because we're up 40 pips. So close your lower entries. Ooh. I told you, bros, as soon as we break the lows, we're driving. Up 70 pips, almost 70 pips, around 60, 65. All right, move stop loss to break even. Move stop loss to break even. Let me calculate that. How much? Okay, so I've closed this entry, and I'm gonna see how I'm gonna remove it. Let me just see how much I made first. 15. Plus 22. 1 second. Message. Okay. $70 pips. Okay. W trade, W trade, W trade, W trade. That's how you do it. Oh, I messed up. I was supposed to say, actually, you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna close half my position. You know what else I'm gonna do? I'm gonna close my full position. Told you guys, we're built differently. Let me remove this trade because this one. We're built differently. We've done 1 week of their work. In how long? How long have we been in this trade? We got in at 7:30. In half an hour, we've done 1 week of their work. Staying in it, man. 70 pips secured and we still got a trade running. Oh, let's go, let's go. I've made up for my shit trade in the morning or in the night. I'll be honest, it wasn't 70 pips, it was 69. So let me change this to 517. 517 pips secured, live on stream so far. That's 21 dubs. Go. This guy can't be well. No problem, no problem. Done 45 pips. Thank you. You are welcome. 1 month trade. Now, like I said, like, he is an amazing trader. He is an amazing trader. You can definitely learn a lot from him when it comes to understanding the market, reading price action. His price action is one of the best price action I've seen. I'll go as far to say it is most likely better than Raja Bank's. It's just the way he executes his trades isn't the best for the mass, for majority of people. Unless you have a lot of money, then obviously it works, which obviously he has a lot of money. Like as explained so many times, 30 pips, no 30 pips, sorry, 30 lots. You can catch 5 pips, is fine, man. You've made 1.5k in a matter of seconds. It works for him. But yeah, do you think live streams influence the market like a lot? Stop loss? No, it does not. It does not at all. It does not at all. I guarantee you right now, BlackRock, even, yeah, all these big ass banks and whatnot, they're not watching my stream or Donvo's stream or Raja Banks or anybody's stream, seeing where they, or even ICT, seeing where they play stop loss TP and hunting people or stop losses. They don't care about my 15-20 lot size or Donvo's 30 lot size. They couldn't give a shit. Let's go, Legati. Fuck the test I made my teacher's wages. Come on. You should get a hoodie and print that on your hoodie. Fuck the test. I made my teacher's wage. Hashtag Forex. What's happening with Euro? You know what I'm really liking is that gold is going down and Euro is still going up, which is very good for us. Too bad I've lost. How did you lose 20k? 20k real money or 20k funded? Either way, how did you lose it? Tell us a story. Tell us a story. Yeah, EU is flying. It's flying. We're still at 16 pips though, more or less. Needs to push up. They didn't really break the highs. Yeah, that's what I mean. So I keep on telling you guys. Risk management will either make you successful or destroy your trading career. You can have very bad risk management, and, you know, be successful for a few months, be successful for a few weeks, be successful for even a year or two. Eventually, you're gonna get destroyed. Learning how to manage your risk is a very hard and painful lesson to learn. We're flying. I mean, I like the guy exactly. I really like his content and whatnot. I respect him as a trader. And no hate, but I'm glad to hear your opinion because I was thinking the same. I don't have a huge account on that side. Exactly. I know a lot of people, they barely even use one lot size. Okay, if people have a live account, most people, they don't even use one lot size. Okay. He's like Miguel just said he uses 0.1. And you're catching 10 pips. How much is that? Is that $10? But then you're risking $200 because your stop loss is 200 pips. It doesn't help everyone. It doesn't help people. It doesn't help people. Yeah, I mean, that's why it's very important to use sensible trades, take sensible trades, wait for confirmations always. Like for example, us, we could have easily taken this same trade up here at 30 or 29, which is what I told you guys. I want to take a trade here, but there's no real confirmation. So what did we wait for? We waited for another break of the lows, and that's where we got our confirmation. I'm like, yep, we're taking it. And now look, it's dropping down. Where I say when we break these lows, we're gonna have a very good move down, at least 20 to 30 pips. How much have we gone down? 20 pips, more or less. Of course it is an addiction. For a lot of people, it is a very strong addiction. Even me, I think once upon a time I was addicted. I'll probably say to a certain extent I might still be. But I know how to manage my risk, which is a lesson that I had to learn the very hard way, guys. Trust me, like me, Donvo, Bard, Roger Banks, any trader you want to look at and you think they're a really good trader, they didn't just suddenly become a good trader without making any mistakes. I made a ton of mistakes. So many mistakes I made. Like you think I didn't lose any 20k accounts, you think I didn't lose any 50k accounts, you think I didn't lose a 400k funded account in one day. Of course I did. You think I didn't lose a 200k account in one trade? Of course I did. I remember before, I would literally get funded accounts, like 100k accounts, 200k, no, 200k, 300k, 400k accounts, okay? And I would get it, and I would enter a trade just because I felt like I'm missing out or something, and I would be down like 5k, 10k already in one trade. That makes sense? Where what I should have done, like I would buy the account like towards the end of the trading day, like there were those 2 hours, 3 hours left to the market. And before buying the account, I would tell myself, you know, I'm not going to trade until tomorrow. And then I would get the login details and I would just place the trade because I'm stupid. I would be down. I would always hit my daily drawdown. Yeah, I've made plenty of mistakes and I had to learn through those mistakes. $34 plus 44, 78 was my other entry. That 28. I'm so confused. I swear I had another entry somewhere. Where was it? Oh, okay. 34 plus 44, 78. We're pushing down, we're pushing down, we're pushing down. My first day here, so I didn't take the trade. More of a retest trader after such a shift. Appreciate the setup. No problem, no problem. I really appreciate it. We're here every single day, every single morning. We're trading on this session. So you're more than welcome to join. If you are in the Discord, we send the signals in the Discord. If you're not, the link is in the description. I really like your thinking. Respect, mate. What about? Appreciate it, man. Appreciate it. You guys are showing me so much support, and I really appreciate it, man. Honestly, really appreciate it. GTE is a decent trader. Oh, I mean, I've never really sat down and watched. I don't want to say. Oh, okay. I mean, everyone's entitled to their own opinion, isn't it? But just from what I've seen, is yeah, this is what I've seen. Okay, from what I've seen, obviously I haven't seen for a very long time, but this is what I've seen. Correct me if I'm wrong. I'm pretty sure he's always on a 4-hour time frame, and he would do something like this. Okay, buys above, sells below on the 4-hour time frame. Okay, so imagine you had a sell below here, you had the closure here. Pretty sure he takes a sell off rip. Maybe he waits for the next candle for a little thingy, and then he takes sells. As you can see, it wouldn't have really worked out too well. About 50 pips before getting the downtrend. I felt like he would have closed the trade out before that. I don't know. I could be wrong. But that's what I saw a while ago. Yeah, man, appreciate guys, the like and the subs. Appreciate it. He's super disciplined, yes. Takes like 2 trades a month, and he sticks to his plan. Yeah, 2 trades a month, really? Wow, that's crazy. The only thing I like about him is that oh, does he? Okay. Because usually I always see him on a 4-hour time frame and it says buys above or sells below. And maybe that was a while ago and he changed it a little bit. So obviously, as you guys know, that I mainly, obviously I do have personal, but I mainly trade on funded. And I know that the mass majority people, they also trade on funded. So my way is obviously trying to protect your account. And obviously your account can always be protected if you use the correct risk management. But I don't want to do no bullshit of 200 pips stop loss and then 20 pips TP, because you're not going to pass your funded like that. You're not going to get paid. You know what I mean? So with me, you know that the trades that I'm taking, they are good for your funded accounts. All right, boys, how many pips are we up now? I don't have this trade open, but I'm just gonna check, just because that's what we did when we took the first trade. Sorry, I can't remember what that was. 31 plus 39, let's call it 70 plus 49. Let me update it. Okay, it's gone down a little bit, so I'm going to 120. I need a max win. Hey, I just clocked on. That's another 3-digit W, 3-digit pips. I'll tell you what, guys. Vin is an absolute legend. I see him hyping up people in the Discord. Vin is putting in a shift. Everyone, W Vin in the chat. First day of the week. Yeah, man. We had a first trade, first signal on the Discord. 50 pips, minus 50 pips. And then obviously we had a decent 16 pips on XAUUSD, and now we're up probably 130 by now. Almost 150. W, yes, bud. Let's go. Bro, we made up for my mistake in the morning last night. You made up. You should. It's 9:8. It's like 9:20 for Bud, isn't it? 9:20 should be. I'm pretty sure he's 1 hour ahead of me. Yeah, now that we've got this morning trade with a healthy amount of pips, I'm a little bit more awake, a bit more hyped up. I do need to turn my little heater on though, because it's a bit cold in here. Give me a sec. Alright, so this trade is running. Let's see if we can catch any other trades that we did during yesterday's weekend stream. Ooh, we've got a rejection here. Let's wait a little bit more. Did I? Okay, I heard the door. Give me a sec. I need to open the door. Well, that's annoying as hell, man. I go running downstairs because I thought I heard the door. I opened the door, no one's there. Hey. Ooh, we're dropping. Now, what we can do is take a scout buy at this level here. Let's see. $40 plus 47. Is that 47? 47, yeah. 87. $144 pips for 144 pips. I would probably wait for confirmations. Yeah, let's see. Close full. Nice. Yeah, 2022, 2020-ish is basically our support, and I'm waiting for the break of the low, and then we're gonna close full. One last push down. Do we get it? I might just close full here. Calculate that, and that. What price did I close that? Close that. 20, 23, 3, 8. $38 plus 46. $140 secured, boys. Okay, how many pips did I add to my stream? Was it 59, right? Was it 69? Can't remember. I added 69. So it's 100. So I need to add another 71 pips. This one, yeah. 588 pips secured. Look at that, man. We are smashing it. We are 588 pips in 21 trades. Who else does that? Who else? Well, it's actually 25 trades, but 21 dubs. 588. Crazy. Big dubs. Yes, now we are thinking about buys. We will wait for a little bounce. We'll wait for confirmations. And then we will see. Time to play some Rust. Nah, I can't. Not now. I need to find. I need to get some more trades for you boys. I need to get more. We're so hungry, man. Barely even started breakfast. Time to catch these buys now. That's what we're waiting for. Else. We will either take buys very soon or just maybe potentially wait for 2020, because I'm pretty sure it should come down to 2020. It makes sense for it to come down to 2020. Where was the... Where the hell is the chart? Oh, there it is. Which one was the no bottom wick? It was this one, wasn't it? I don't know why on my chart it's showing the bottom wick. I'm pretty sure there was no bottom wick. Yeah. Morning, Paolo. Morning. We're doing absolutely amazing, man. We just caught 140 pips. Give me a second, guys. I will be back in 2 minutes. 2 minutes. All right, chat. I have a confession. Obviously, I am absolutely ashamed with my actions. To be honest, I can't really look at myself at the moment. But yeah, let me just should go on the Discord and look at the where is it? Yeah, go on the Discord and look at look at the analysis page. So obviously I wasn't on my computer, I was on my PC, and I did say that potentially we will enter a big scalp trade, and obviously I had my phone with me, I was looking at the chart, I had to go do something quickly entered, and I'm out. I closed it. I closed the trade for about 12 pips. But yeah, you know, I'm sorry, boys. I'm sorry. Next time, lesson learned: when there's a potential trade coming up, do not leave unless I absolutely have to. I had to pee. If I'm being honest, I had to pee. That's all it is. I had to pee. I was peeing and I was checking, and I was like, go back to the boat. Yeah, man. At least he won't leave you hanging. Sorry, man. We'll catch another trade. We'll catch another trade. I'm just experienced like that, man. You think that's impressive, bro? You don't even know what I can do when I'm doing a number 2 and I'm trading. That's a whole different level. Different types of skills come up. That's when I catch and I get 100, 200 pips. I do my best work when I'm doing number 2. No, not trading that down because there wasn't a 200 pip stop loss. There was no stop loss to be honest. But look at that, absolute, more or less perfect bounce from that level. But don't worry, man. We will find another thingy, another trade. XAUUSD, yes sir. Exactly. Different way of trading. We're at a different level, man. We're at a different level. We do it anywhere. Oh my god, that reminds me. Do you know the NFP trade that I took? I wasn't even home. I was on my phone. I was outside. That trade. VWAP. I've never used VWAP. I've seen it. I know what it is. I don't really know because I don't understand it. But I think it's something. Is it something like MA's moving averages and whatnot? Yeah, it was just a quick trade. It was only 10 pips. Only 10 pips. Just a little bit above 10 pips. Oh, did we get stopped out? No, we haven't got stopped out yet. Very close. I feel like we might have missed this one. Let's wait. Might enter this soon. It basically shows support and resistance levels using volume and calculations. Okay. 10 bits is enough for the data. When do you know how to? It's just So when we were down here, okay. Well, where were we here? Yeah, this is our first entry. We were down here, okay. Now, most traders, they will give you an exact level when to enter, for example, this, and they will accept a drawdown. This all came down because of me back testing and kind of coming up with my own strategy, okay? What's happening? What is happening? Oh, okay. Oh, it's bugging out. Okay. So most people, they will accept all of this drawdown, and they know initially it will come down, okay, or no, they don't know because you never know in the market, but they have a strong feeling it will come down, okay, which is why they took the trade. From my back testing, when I came up with my strategy many years ago, like instead of taking that drawdown, because it's very hard to get the exact bottom or exact top, is very hard, okay, 99% of the times you're not going to get it, okay, so I might as well just scale into my positions. I'll get better entries instead of adding what 10 lots 15 lots here. I'll just add 3 to 5 3 to 5 3 to 5, and if I want, as soon as I get 10 pips on the bottom one, I can close the bottom entry. Then I've got only 2 entries with much better entries. Does that make sense? My TP 2022 41. So you got the absolute. Oh, you didn't, but yeah, you had a very thingy, very good one. Nice. Proud of you, my friend. No problem, no problem. Yeah, it all comes down to, like, once you've been training for a while and you see certain things, you kind of come up with your own strategy and you see what works and what doesn't. There's no one thing about every trader out there, okay? They could be the best trader. They will always have one thing or a few things wrong within their strategy, and they'll have plenty of good things within their strategy. Your job is to take the good things and leave the bad, which is what I did with like many traders. Like I said before, one of them, the main person I've kind of would I say main? I wouldn't say main, but I learned a lot from Roger Banks. But I also saw a lot of things wrong within the strategy. Yes, overall he might be profitable, but there's a lot of things he can avoid. Obviously he probably doesn't care because he's a multi-millionaire or billionaire, whatever, and he has so many other businesses. Trading is just like probably a bit of gambling for him, okay. But there are plenty of things that he can take away from a strategy that will make his win rate a lot higher. Like, for example, last time, I think, was it last week on Thursday that I spoke about it? His impulse entries, when he enters as soon as a 30-minute closure above or below. What I've seen from experience is, as soon as you get an impulse move, most of the time you get a strong retracement. So he would enter with his impulse move, and then it would retrace about 50%. And he has this rule is, if it retraces X amount, he closes half his position. So a lot of the times, around 70-80% of the times, he would enter his trade and he would end up closing half in loss, just because that retracement would happen. I would just think to myself, then why doesn't he just stop that rule and wait for the retracement to happen and then enter? He would be a lot more profitable. There's just things like that. You're buying the group. No, definitely, definitely. That was just a scalp trade. That I have closed already. I don't care if it continually goes all the way higher. That was literally just a bounce buy, because I had this level over here that is likely to bounce from here. Yeah, Roger Banks is an amazing reading the market. There's so many good traders, like I said, like including me. You would definitely see things wrong within my analysis, and I see it myself sometimes, which it takes time to fix it and find a better way. USD is, oh, okay, yeah, we stop break even has hit, but this trade is done. So we only secured 16 pips. Here it is. There is 2025 daily resistance. 2025. And the daily time frame. I don't think so. No, I think if you add a level at 2025, it's just extra noise for no reason. Yeah, you just add in noise to your chart, which doesn't need to be there. I mean, I see it to a certain extent, but overall, this is your range. Stays within this range overall. Did you close gold for? Yes, gold is closed completely. Let's rid of all of this. Now I'm looking for buys. Let me just read the rest of the comments and I'll let you know where roundabout where I'm looking to buy. Kind of have an idea already. Commercial banks showing style is gambling. The only reason he's profitable, the management. No. His trading style is very good. It is very good. It's just like I said before, within every single trader there are some problems within his style which can be fixed. So, but yeah, Carl, yes, I know. I was can't lie. We had a shaky start because we were dominating them, but we couldn't like, finish the game early. That makes sense. We should have finished the game in the first half, to be honest. Could have put in at least 3 or 4 goals. When you withdraw your profits, do you take all money or do you leave some of the profits? 90% of the times I take all of it. Maybe sometimes I might leave a little bit, but majority of the times I take all of it. Yeah, that when we conceded that goal, I was a bit shaky. I was a bit scared. I can't be honest. I can't speak. I can't lie. I was a bit. I was like, oh no, the old Arsenal's coming back. Do you not think take a breakout without definition of the liquidity is gambling? No, because if he doesn't place his levels at any stupid place, yeah, it's not like he'll place his level right here and right here and say, okay, boys, we need a breakout, and then we're gonna take a trade. He doesn't do anything like that. He places his levels at a sensible place. Okay, like right here, he will not place any levels. Okay, what would he do? He would wait for a level to appear and he would go to GJ. And then here on GJ, he'll probably yeah, that level and this level he'll probably have. Which again, it makes perfect sense. What happens when you break out? You fill the range. When you break down, you fill the range to at least here. If not, you can fill the range to here. If not, you can fill the... So his ranges are a lot smaller, yes. But the levels, they make sense. Man. Yeah, I would like this to be filled, but I think so. Again, we will be looking for a buy range. It won't be one entry, but we will ideally like to enter. I would say between this will be a buy range. Okay, and then stop loss will probably be something like that. Something like that. But TP can be very high. It's depending on how you bounce in this level, probably come up very high. Oh, sure. What's your view on news today with gold? I'll check what news we have coming up. I'll let you know. Yes, I'm okay with that, but if you take any breakout, you'll be fake out a lot of times. Not a lot of the times. It depends on the area, and it all depends on the area. Appreciate it, Mad. Appreciate it. But yeah, ideally, you should always wait for closures. Oh shit! I forgot about something. Let's see what a good who took it before I check. Who here took the crypto trade? Who took the crypto trade? Can we still? I mean, if you want to hold it, it's completely up to you. But we took partials and moved stop loss to break even a while ago. Now, who took the crypto trade? You did. So you should be up. Ooh. 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 Boy. Oh yeah. Yeah, I've told you guys, for crypto you need to make a account on a crypto exchange. Most likely it needs to be MEXC. It should be MEXC. And I also have a referral code where you will get bonuses for your deposit and you will get less fees when taking trades. Okay, so if you need that, message me. I will send you the referral code. Use that, create a MEXC account. Simple. Moving stop loss to break even, by the way. If anyone took it, stop loss to break even. Take partials as well. Discord. No, I do not follow ICT concepts. Crypto is gold. What are you doing? What are you doing? Today, I would say today has been a pretty good day, man. Pretty good day. We had a big dub on crypto. We had a minor, a decent dub on Forex. We had one unfortunate L on gold and a massive dub on gold. Okay. Can you please explain how you define liquidity? So, liquidity is basically an area where something was overbought or oversold. For For example, a level of high liquidity is in this area. This is an area where the market or people had no issue with overselling, as you can clearly see. Over here was also an area where the market had no issue with overbuying. Obviously, this was due to news. So it's better to find areas of liquidity when it isn't impacted by news or global events. Yeah. Can you check Euro CHF? Yeah. Ooh. When did this happen? Lows. Why has it come this low before? The lowest it's been. Crazy. Okay. Alright then, that's gonna be a pretty hard to. Okay, you can't really find any support. I mean, let's just say this is support right here. But this right here is the absolute lows. Now resistance, you're probably looking at right here. Perfect, yeah. The only trade at the moment that I would be looking for, I mean, it's a bit too late. I wouldn't really want to take a trade when it's halfway up the range. Wait for maybe a pullback, but yes, pretty likely to fill the range. But I do think Euro will weaken significantly, and obviously CHF is a very strong currency, so fundamentally you don't really want to take in buys in this currency pair. Oh, new hourly candle with no, oh, no, very small bottom hook. Ooh. This one is a banger. Sorry. Don't get me wrong, I am itching to take a buy, but I do want to wait just in case we come lower. And obviously if we miss the trade, we miss the trade, and you can't really do much. We caught 140 pips, you know. We shouldn't be forcing or hunting for any major trades. Euro USD buys. I wouldn't really want to go for buys anymore, mainly because you broke this resistance slash highs. You broke this high, you broke, no you didn't, so double top, and then you broke the lows. That's the problem I'm having. You broke the lows. If you didn't break the lows, came down anywhere around here without breaking the lows, yes, I'd be interested in buys. The fact that you broke the lows kind of shows that we will probably come down lower. Let's just wait. Take it. You trade, I think, enough for the day. No, I do want to take another trade. It's just I don't want to force anything. Oil buys. Let's see oil now. Remember, I don't really trade oil. So you guys probably know more about oil than I do. Ooh. Wait a minute, hold up, wait a minute. I'm getting right. You do not want to take buys right now unless you get a closure above. Again, look, you're breaking the lows, so look at this. Look at this right now. Look at this right now, and then tell me what's the difference. What happened here? What happened here? What happened here? There's not really any difference, is there? Now, would you want to take buys here? Imagine this hasn't happened, or if you're down here, this hasn't happened. Would you want to take buys? So why would you want to take buys here? SA needs to start on your trades. Always calling out big analysis. Yeah, I'll start practicing on it. Yeah, he was. Yeah, we're not in any of these trades. We're just waiting for confirmation. These are the charts that we did yesterday. Let's see. Oh, someone asked a question about the news, didn't they? So do I, I'll be honest, so do I. I want to buy gold as well, but let's wait a little longer. Even if we don't get the best entry, at least we know it's safe to take the buys. It does look very good, it does. What news do we have for the US today? ISM non-Rush PMI. I don't think that moves the market too much, you know. What would confirm? I just want to see a bit more price build up. Bit more price build up. Maybe a bit more support being built. It comes down, it confirms the support. Let's say up here, can come down and probably take the buys there. Oh my god, man. There we go. Yes, it's best to wait. It's best to wait. Did that just happen now? I wasn't looking at the screen. Like right now, did it just happen? Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. That'll be amazing. Now I hope you manage that trade quickly. Take some profit. We're out. If you took if it's the same trade that we took, the gold sales, we have closed it. So we're not in that trade anymore. Nice, nice, nice. Hey, we might take the buys very soon. Ooh. Let's just wait a little bit. Let's wait. We're not going to take it yet. Just wait. Ideally, the smartest entry would be up here, because we're kind of creating some sort of resistance, so you can see all the top wicks up here as well. Obviously, knowing me, we'll probably enter a lot early before we get up there. Maybe, we'll see. His spies do look good, but coming down lower also does look good. So kind of want to be sure before we enter. But I still think that we can come down to 2020, possibly even lower. But that's why I'm a bit hesitant on taking the buys. We push down a little bit lower. Nice. Okay. See how low we come down. I think this approach is better than someone talking the whole entire stream. I do not have the energy for the whole entire stream. And whenever you guys have questions, I have no problem answering them. But yeah, can't just waffle the whole stream. I don't have the capability for that. As low as 2016. So what I'm thinking, but actually it will take, you'll probably have to wait a while to get it. I explained it before, is a buy range from 2019 to around 2016. Stop loss will be around 2013, 2014. But also I did want to take buys right there. What funding platform will you recommend? I used the Funded Trader. I've never really had an issue with them. Euro JPY on GBPJPY sells. Sells? No, I wouldn't want to take sells here. I wouldn't want to take sells here. Again, wouldn't want to take sells here either. What are we gonna do? Down, push down. We break this, and we'll probably get a wick down here. Hopefully break that low as well. And then we can come down here. Then maybe we might take buys. But I don't know if you guys have this gap. I have a gap in my broker, and ideally I would like that to be filled, and that's why I said we'll take the buys from 2019. Go on, push, push, push. Ooh, that was a big drop. Nice, nice. Drive, 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 drive. London is moving. Yes, London is awake. There's 4 minutes. Don't think it will happen, but I want this candle to flip bullish, otherwise we won't take buys. Yet. It needs to flip bullish. I'm not gonna take a buy when we close below here and when the candle is bearish. Ooh, hold. Alright boys, let's do a check again. How many subs are we on and how many likes are we? Okay, I'm on 34 likes. Decent. 178 subs. Push that up and push that up. How many people? 39 people here. I'm assuming that you're all subbed. So that means 39 of you need to make a fake account and sub. Ooh, we're dropping. Oh damn. Can someone do me a massive favor? Can you go back and let me know around how many? Oh, what's happened? Got a notification, a euro. Oh, we're closed below. Yeah, and this is why we did not want to go for buys. Anyway, can you go back into the stream and see when we took the trade, when we took the sales? Please let me know how many hours we were in. And it's easy for me to find when I'm kind of making shorts and whatnot. Followed you on my second account. What a legend. That's what you call market manipulation right there. Yeah, so breaking the lows. Okay. Okay, it'll zip down. Quick 15 pips down. Quick one. Thank you. 1 hour 57 minutes. You're absolute legend. Thank you. Can we write that down? What's the date today? Monday 5th. Okay. Sales on gold? No, we don't want to take any sales here. Hmm. This does look good, very good for entry. And what was the other one? Yeah, these two look very good. UJ and CJ. Yeah, see, boys, told you. You get closures below, do not look for buys until you get some sort of bullish confirmation. Could it be a fake out? Yes, but then wait for the fake out to happen. Don't enter when you don't know it's a fake out or not. I didn't even mean that. Look how straight that is. What the hell? Right now it's slowing down. We've come to a very important decision zone. Either dump or start making the move back up, or even a little correction to continue to go down. Breaking more lows. Big swipe. Yeah, it needs to be broken, otherwise it's gonna. Yeah, if it doesn't break, it'll probably come back down. But if it breaks, it's filling the range. Gold is gonna come down a decent amount this week, I feel like. Could we finally fill the gap? It could, it could. It could. We just had a 30-minute closure, didn't we? Yeah. We closed below. No, we didn't. Also closed above the trend line. It could be just a wick down. Yeah, there's too much going on. Insider trade. Me and JP go way back. All right, man. Okay. If we close below in the hourly, it's not looking good. I wouldn't be surprised, man. I wouldn't be surprised. This right here is a magnet. This right here is a magnet. Psychological level, decent amount of liquidity. You got 23 minutes. I need some cooking. All right. Let us know what you cook when you come back. I'm still sipping on my Monster. Haven't finished it. Been sipping on it for 3 hours. Freaking hell. See, there's a reason why we didn't go for buys above here. Because the original TP when we took the sells was 2020. I was fairly confident it would come down to 2020. Obviously, there was no guarantee, but it was pretty. It was always in the back of my head. And I'd rather wait to see if 2020 gets tapped, or just take a higher entry, which is fine with more confirmation. Making apple pies for the first time. Nice. For yourselves, let's see. This area is so messy though, just looking at it. There's so many different places where you can bounce from. Got one here. 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 Yeah, there's so many different places where you can find support. I don't like that. Yeah. It's just an ugly area. Yes, yeah, man. Cause I don't know oil good enough to kind of know when to take the trade and when not. "2020 has decision level." Kind of. You do usually have quite a few wicks down to 2020, but in order to go up, you kind of need to have a wick and then closure above. You got 20 minutes, plenty of time. Can happen. Yeah, it's better to leave oil for now. But we are coming very close to buys. We are coming very close. For price go up, it's moved tapped on 2020. If you go back, you see that. No, I know. I said 2020 is a place where we wick below a lot of the times, but if you want to look for buys, we've had the wick. Ideally, you want to see closures above. The most safest is break this resistance right here. Confirmation for buys. Take it. Why don't you take it right here? Because this can easily just do that, and that will be confirmation for sales. Okay. If this next 15 comes down for a decent bottom wick, we might enter buys, depending on how it closes. So just get ready, get ready. We might not. But just be careful with your lot size, because this trade is a bit riskier than usual. And don't enter full, because we will probably lay it in. But 1 minute until closure. No problem, no problem. Okay, new 15. A very tough one. It's a very tough one. We could wait 12 minutes, which will be the new hourly and the new 30-minute candle. I'm new to trading, but I have a full-time for learning and I have savings for 24 months. I learn between 8 to 12 hours. Do you think it's enough? Actually, it's been 6 months from now. So you can learn as much as you can with a demo account, with reading books, watching videos, back testing, forward testing, all of that. You can do that for as long as you want, but the actual real learning comes with time in the market. Time in the live market with a live account. Because, like I've said plenty of times, the hard part isn't the analysis. The hard part is your psychology, your mindset, your risk management, patience. Okay, that's the hard part. So that's what you need. That's what every trader needs, is time in the market. That's where you grow your skills. I have a challenge account now and I'm up 5%. That's very good, very good. Ooh. Okay. Remember guys, we can always, you might be having FOMO and whatnot, we can always enter above 2023.4. okay, which is literally 10 pips. 10 pips is not a lot. 10 pips away. I made 144 trades. You need to make a lot more trades, my friend. A lot more. Obviously, take your time. Don't overtrade. But just every single trade you take, know why you're taking it. And if you're copying your trade from someone, try to understand why they are taking it. If they are right, understand why they are right and what happened within the market. If they're wrong, same thing, understand where they went wrong. Yes, 80%, maybe even more, trading is just psychology. But I have my own account now. It's straight swimming sharks. It's really subtle. XY is dumping. Oh, pumping. Yeah, it's pumping. XY is extremely bullish. Breaking the highs. It's going to break these highs. For the 30-minute to close, because you never know, this hourly and this 30-minute could easily just close below, could start dumping down. My favorite channel now. Nice. I'll take that. I'll take that. So that means I'm the top 3 YouTube trading streamers, yeah? Top 3 all-time streamer. Oh my god. Top 1. Ooh, we can't be doing my boy Bard like that. I'll take joint first position. I'll take that. Humbly take that. How's the daily looking? That's what I want to know. Ooh. Now, this trend line is drawn from the daily. So if we close below this, we're gonna have a big move down. Big move down. We have a very big move down. Okay, how did you meet Bard? I just joined the Discord, and obviously you guys know I was just sending my screenshots of my trades taken every single day into the chat. I was just taking trades and sending my screenshots, showing you guys. And yeah, me and Bard started talking, and we just decided that, you know, maybe I should start giving signals to the group. Yeah. We had like a test week where I sent him signals just to him for a week, and obviously they were good. And then yeah, the following week I was introduced to QTC as a trader. But yeah, I found him the same way you guys found him. Literally, I saw him on YouTube Shorts. I went on his account, saw that he goes live every day. This was like when he barely had any subs right at the beginning. Obviously he's still pretty new, but yeah, and then joined the Discord and done. Got started. Donvo the account blower. Yeah, I started with $350, or is that euro? I can't. Double up, make it 700, 650. Yeah, make the 50. We bought also. Always pump it. Might as well be a savior, no cap. What other groups were you part of? I think that's it, you know. Been a part of a few crypto groups a while ago, but yeah, this is like the first gold and whatnot group that I was part of. I didn't join the DVS Discord, don't know why. Didn't. How old am I? I'm 24 years old. I remember you from the beginning. Yeah, I was literally just in chat, sending screenshots every day, showing off the trades. Nah, it's just, I don't know. I was just showing people that, yo, you guys need my help, I'm here. Majority of us, I appreciate that, guys. I appreciate that. Support to the left on the 4 hour. Ooh, we're closing above. Closing above. We're closing above. if I'm not mistaken, on your time frame, the 4 hour is closing right now. My one is still open for another 1 hour. But again, it's very important on a daily we close above this trend line. EU longs 7495. Damn, this thing dropped. $495. It's not a bad level. It's not a bad level. But you're more likely just to, if I'm being honest, you'll probably find some traffic here, but you're quite likely to fill the range all the way down here. Unless you can close above this, then you'll probably just fill the range to the bottom. Yeah. Gold buys, not yet, not yet, not yet. I want to make more profit. You think I need to top up my account to 1k and upsize my lot? I hate. So here's the thing. You should only top up your account if you have that spare money to lose. Meaning if you lose that account, obviously you're going to be upset and you're like, fuck, shit, why did I do that? Because obviously £1,000 is a lot of money. But at the same time, it shouldn't put you in a lot of trouble. That makes sense. Like, if you lose that money, shit, what am I going to do next month? How am I going to pay bills? How am I going to buy groceries? Stuff like that. If you're in that position, then do not get into trading. It's the last thing you want to do. Okay? You should only top up your account if you have that spare money to lose. But if you do top up your account, I would say keep to the lot size for a while. Maybe after a couple of months, then up your lot size. We're talking about buys on gold, but taking sells is also possible, guys. Taking sells is very possible. We could end up just taking sells because, like I said, it's not looking good for buys. It's not looking good at all. But yeah, let's just wait and see. I took buys from 21.6, but no, I took buys from over here. It was this week, wasn't it? Around 21 something, and I closed at around 12, 13 pips. It was just a scalp trade. If you have two accounts, why don't you put Put it into one account. Why'd you have two separate accounts? Hey. Bro, can you share your thoughts on how I could grow $100 account? I have been practicing gold, so I would prefer to trade only gold. Okay, the same answer to someone who asked me about a $400 account. Now, in my opinion, if you only have a $100, $200, $300, $400, $500, whatever amount, save the money, try to get a little bit more capital, and then put it into an account. Because with $100, realistically, you can only use 0.01, and even then, that's still quite a bit. 0.01, because if you lose 50 pips, is that what, $5? That's 5% of your account. So the gain won't be a lot. You won't be gaining much. Okay, you'll probably start over risking because your account isn't growing. You probably won't have the patience, and that's just how it is for every trader. So I would say hold that $100, grow your capital. I don't know how old you are. If you're young and you're not working, get a part-time job, do something where you can get an extra bit of money, use that money to fund your account, use that money to buy a few challenges, and until you get the money, trade on a demo account. Keep on learning, keep on learning, keep on learning. That's the advice I can give you. Do you have a challenge account? Yes, but it's not a challenge, it's funded. It's live. Who's Trader TC? Gold juicing? Not really. Got juiced. To be honest, it looks like it's finding resistance. Unless it closes above, convincingly above this level. Then we get something like that. That would be very nice. Oh, Bitcoin is pumping apparently. Or is it dumping? Which one? It is pumping. It is pumping. Oh, we're going up. We're still going up. Guys, I'll be back in a minute. Be back. I'm back. Bro, give me a trade. I'm in a gambling mood. Oh, someone's about to lose their account. Yeah, go on, go full margin here. Right here. Go full margin there. Yeah, it doesn't look good, man. You see how it's literally finding resistance right here. But again, we had a freaking good day today, man. I don't know, 40 pips on gold. It's ranging, yeah. I feel like it's just gonna move sideways. US session might have a slight move up, maybe around here. Well, what happened to my lines? Maybe around here, and again my line is off. No, it's there we go. It's a little bit better. This, and I feel like we get a very big move down. And if you lose this, so yeah, man, I feel like we will come down. We will come down. The buys aren't looking too good at the moment. Yeah, PMI isn't the biggest news. It doesn't really move gold that much. Doesn't have the biggest effect. Oh. The red folder, but even then, it doesn't really move the market that much. Let's see how this 15-minute opens and how the next one opens, and if nothing looks interesting, I'll probably end the stream here. I mean, it's been a while. It's been about 4 hours almost. Yeah, I don't like it. I don't like it at all. It probably could continue higher, but I feel like it's going to be a very small up and down movements. Main movement is going to happen in the US session. Yeah, I was just going to say that. Probably going to call the stream, end it, and see anything interesting, then obviously I'll call it in Discord. Obviously, I'll see you guys in Bud's stream, in the chat. But yeah, man, it was a WW day. First signal wasn't the best. We made it back, 140 pips, 16 pips on XAUUSD. I don't know how to count pips on crypto, but we up nicely. Yeah, man, we're good. All right, boys, then I will see you guys tomorrow. Take care. Keep your capital safe. Don't lose the pips that we got today. Yeah, even if you want, just call it a day today. Call 100. You should have. I'll be disappointed if you guys did not catch at least 100 pips. But if you caught at least 100 pips, just call it a day, man. Just end it. because you never know what the next trade is going to be. It could be an L. So just protect the 100 pips. Continue tomorrow. But yeah, man. See you guys tomorrow. Yeah.